In this quick tutorial, we're just gonna go through Lisa AI app, art, magic, avatars. So how to create avatars from photos, and let's just explore it together how it might work. This eventually is one of the top apps in this category. I don't know why. Were so many of these AI avatar apps. So you can just create avatars from photos, create artwork with AI, turn words into art, enter prompt and choose style, make your wallpaper. And I think there will be more and more features for this app as AI is just developing such fast. So here you can just open it up, notifications. And then you can just turn your words into art. Then which prompt will you use? Like for example, I can just use that. Then you can just select a style. I can select magic style. And then of course you have a prompt to upgrade, so you can unlock unlimited access. So fast processing, unlock 50 plus styles, unlimited artwork creation, remove ads. There is a free trial where you can try. And then, yeah, you just have two options here. You can create just some graphics like hidden forest with magic, and then you just create some AI graphics. So let's just see how it works. So now you can see this app just created this, and it's for free. I can save it, I can like it, I can recreate it, I can name it, I can share it. So that's how it works. Then I can also create your avatar. So you can create an AI model of yourself. So then I need to upload photos. I need to select 6 photos, for example. So then I can just, I don't know, I don't have that many. Okay, so you can see that photos are not qualified for requirements. All right, so maybe so whatever, just as an example, don't do it, because if you have the same expression on all your photos, just not gonna work the best with these AI avatars. So you probably need to have different backgrounds, different expression, different lighting for this to work the best. So then you can just tap add. And then select your gender, and then you can just tap continue, and then can just select your style. And then, yeah, unfortunately, of course, you will need to upgrade. And then you can get 50 unique avatars, 100 unique avatars, or 200 unique avatars for $9.99. And why it's paid, it says because AI avatars consume tremendous computation power to create amazing avatars for you. It's expensive, but we made it as affordable as possible. So there you have it. And then you can just upgrade. So let's see. Okay, so you see it's not like a one-time payment. It's a weekly payment subscription. So just be careful if you're gonna do this. So that's what it is. And then you will just be able to generate these avatars. And you just have all these different styles available, which you can just see here. There are plenty of styles. And yeah, so this is just one of the apps to achieve that. You can just see settings. If you wanna, you can upgrade here, $19.99 per year. Unlock 50 plus styles, but then you still won't be able to create AI avatars with this subscription because it would be too cheap, and the computational power for AI avatars is still pretty expensive. So that's the app. Pretty easy to use, but quite nicely designed and quite powerful. Also quite expensive. If you want to try it out and get those avatars, just feel free to do it. In my experience, it makes sense to pay for 1 week or something and just generate like few packs of these avatars. And then if you have like 100, 200, 300 of those avatars, maybe you can just select just few nice photos out of those. Just use them either, I don't know, in some as avatars on Twitter, on Snapchat, or somewhere else. But you're not gonna need like 1,000 AI avatars. You're just gonna probably play with it for a week and then just forget it if you just select few avatars, unless you just want to constantly share it with your friends and all of that. So that's what it is. That's the app.